welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. Today I'm going to high school. Y'all already know the vibes. Gotta glue my wig down, put my makeup on and stuff. So when I do this get ready with me, it's only when like I'm gonna look glammed and stuff, because there's no point in me doing get ready with me for my wearing no makeup unless I have an important day at school. So my boyfriend's on FaceTime, but I put him on mute so he can't hear me, because it kind of cringes me when people can hear me making my video. It's kind of like, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna wig down and stuff. Once I get that process done, I'm gonna make a poll on Instagram and I'm gonna ask you guys like what should I talk about when I get ready with me, because you know I'm never like talking as I'm getting ready, so I want to do that today. So let me ask and I'll be right back. So yeah, I just want to talk about, let me talk about shows real quick. If y'all watch Martin, please comment down below and like this video, because I freaking love Martin. For all my New York babies, y'all know the original Love and Hip Hop New York is coming back. All the cast members, all the people that was originally on it, like since I was watching it. When I was first watching Love and Hip Hop New York, because it was only Love and Hip Hop New York, it wasn't no other Love and Hip Hop, it's only New York. I was watching it, I was like, I don't even know how old I was, but I'm that old, okay? I was watching it like when that happened. I feel like at first with the old cast of New York, it looked more realistic, you know, and then after a while it started looking fake. Like when Yandy was on it and stuff, it looked real. And then when they started making Love and Hip Hop Hollywood, Love and Hip Hop whatever, I think it's only Hollywood, but when they started making shows like that, I was just like, oh, I don't really watch Love and Hip Hop like that. But since Jim Jones coming back and my son Chrissy and then Kimbella, y'all know, I think Kimbella's already back, but the original like crew, like Yandy, I know I met Yandy already, she's mad cool. Now I'm gonna be watching Love and Hip Hop again, so if y'all also excited, let me know. Okay, before I address the topics that you guys want me to talk about, hopefully I got some topics, because it's really early, it's like 6:50, but everybody's getting ready for school, so I'm pretty sure somebody saw it, I don't know. But I made this video. It's probably not going to be new by the time this video uploads, because I just uploaded it yesterday, and like it's today I'm making a new video, and I always have like pre-uploaded videos that I have to edit and stuff, non-videos I gotta like edit and stuff. So and then I only have one video that I post. I have like a bunch of videos I have to edit and stuff, and it's only me doing it, so I'm sorry if it takes me some time. I made a video called how to be trendy, or how to be popular and trendy at school. And by the title, you could tell that if I put it in quotes, I'm being sarcastic. Now, I don't mean to offend anybody and say like, oh, if you don't have designer, you can't wear this. Because I literally said at the beginning, the first 30 seconds of the video, I don't think I'm 30 seconds, but the first minute of the video, definitely, I said, I'm going to be going inside the mindset of what being popular is supposed to be portrayed as and stuff like that. But I don't think you need us to be popular. So if I say that in the freaking beginning, why would I wait till the end of the video to redeem myself? I don't need to redeem myself if I said in the beginning what I meant. The whole point of the video, if you guys want to know, was to show you how society thinks being popular is. And I'm really confused how I got so many disagreements on it. I think because I was showing my all the designer stuff I had on, even though my pants was not designer, even though on a thumbnail, put it on the screen somewhere, I put $500 jeans in the video. And if you watch my hauls, if you could see on the tag, no $500 jeans look like that. Like, come on, girl. And by me editing the video, you can see that I'm like being sarcastic. If you know me, my real subscribers that know me, y'all met me in person, the ones that came to my meet and greet, y'all know how I am. I'm not like that. I'm not the type to be like, here is my Gucci bag. I don't have a Gucci bag, but here's my Gucci bag, you know, or whatever. It's mad cute. I spent like a rack for it and I'm super happy about it. That's not me. Like, come on now. Like, what? And all my fellow YouTuber friends, when they watch my video, they're like, I understand your point, girl. I love your video. So if YouTubers themselves is understanding my point, y'all get what I'm saying, because y'all already know me from the beginning of my first Q&A, how I am. I'm a sweetheart. I'm not a mean person. I'm not a mean pretty girl. And yes, I think I'm pretty, because you have to have self-confidence. I've been made a video on that. So if you guys don't have self-confidence, you should watch that video. I just feel like a lot of people was butthurt just by the title and the thumbnail, not even watching my video. Like, it really pissed me off, because it's just like y'all saying stuff like, oh, you know, it's mostly about personality, it's not about any of that, when I literally said that in the video. I'm saying what society thinks, not what I think. I actually look at the poll, you know, and see what people were saying. Not the poll, but the questions, whatever. Somebody did comment on my video yesterday and did tell me to talk about how to like not let stuff get to you, because they think that I like so like mature about stuff like this. Like when I got like a lot of hate, which I was not expecting to get yesterday. So to like not let things get to you and like become personal, you have to like have some self-confidence. Watch my video. I'm sorry, I gotta keep telling you guys that, because that is like the main thing you need to have. All right, so like I was saying, ew. Sorry guys, I'm kind of sick and I'm wheezing because I have asthma, so I'm so sorry, getting stuffy and stuff. But yeah, so basically I never had as much confidence as I have now. Why I've been told you guys that I always had confidence, but not like the confidence that you're supposed to have. When I mean by confidence, it's different types of confidence you could have, like, you know, different areas, fields, I guess. Confidence I'm talking about is being yourself and knowing your true identity. Me not being too sensitive and taking things to heart, like talking to myself. I have subscribers that tell me like, oh, your video helped me, or like I told you guys in that video about to text me, you know, tell me guys your problem, I can help y'all one-on-one. And a lot of y'all felt like I helped y'all. So I used to like let things get to me because I always like, I'm a sensitive person. I'm not as sensitive as I used to be, but I was always sensitive. So like when people would say stuff, it would used to make me cry, because I'm like, why are people saying that about me? I don't do anything. I don't bother nobody. Because I honestly, like since I started school, like kindergarten, even preschool, I knew mean girls in preschool. Like preschool is when you start being a mean girl, right? I kid you not, bro. There is a lot of mean little toddler kids or whatever. You could see it for yourself that they're gonna be some mean ass kids. People used to just talk about how I think I was all that. I think I was like this because I used to have like all the new sneakers because my dad used to buy it for me. Not even me, because honestly back then in freaking elementary school, I did not even know what I had on, you know. I'm just wearing it because my dad is telling me to put them on, you feel me? Like it's not even me saying, Daddy, I want this, I want this, I want that, I want this. My dad was just putting me with Jordans on. So people say that to me, I'm like, what am I like really doing that's like making people say that? Like I don't know what I'm doing. I don't like in middle school, you can ask anybody that been in middle school with me, I was not talking. I didn't talk to nobody, I swear to you. He called me a baby one time. He's like, you're a crybaby, you need to stop doing that. Stop being sensitive and toughen up. And I feel like after a while I really used his words, because I'm like, maybe I am a crybaby. I'm too sensitive. I don't want people to be walking over me, you know. F that, that's not me. Like, well, obviously it was me, but I don't want that to be me. So let me change that, you feel me? My thing for not letting things get to you is basically, girl, you need to just not listen to what people have to say about you, because if you listen, it's just gonna get worse, you know. And I have to stop listening. I know it takes time, but you need to stop listening because your health matters more. Sorry guys, I definitely can't talk when I'm doing my eyebrows, okay? That's how I don't let stuff get to me. I basically, like, I know who what I am, and I know like my whole concept of the video and anything in general. Like I know me, I know myself. You ain't gonna tell me about myself, you feel me? I usually let people tell me about myself and be like, wow, really? That's what I am? Like, no, F that. Don't let anybody tell you what you are, because you know who you are, and nobody can ever tell you what you are, because they're not you. I wish a girl would tell me who I am. Okay, so the first one that I see that I really, really love and got so excited, somebody said how to just be bold and wear colorful hair because I'm so scared. First of all, girl, don't ever be scared. This is from princess_India_. I don't know if her name is India, but I'm gonna just say that. India, don't be scared. Cause I know like some people don't really use their real names for their Instagram names, so don't come from me, okay? I'm not stupid. India, do not be scared, okay? Because I was once scared, you know? I know people always say that, but girl, I was scared, okay? But I feel like at a certain point, it's just YOLO, you know? You gotta do it so you could say that you did it. Like, come on. Do it now while everybody else is doing it, so you really won't kind of feel so scared, you know? I'm not saying like follow everybody, but I feel like now that the trend is like, you know, happening right now, everybody's doing colorful hair, it'll be best for you because you'll feel more comfortable. Maybe somebody will come to school with a color too, so you won't be feeling left out and feel like everybody's staring at you. So okay, another one is how to survive high school. I have a whole video on freshman advice, but I would say make sure to believe in yourself. Like if you don't know yourself, find yourself. You always find yourself in high school. Make friends, but don't trust people. Please don't, because it's not always a good thing to trust people for numerous reasons. I'm not saying like be paranoid all the time, but it's better to be paranoid than not be careful. Don't trust everybody. Not everybody is to trust, okay? My dad tells me that every single day. And I'm gonna tell you guys this because it's true. Don't trust everybody. Trust yourself. Know your gut feeling. Always do your work. You always can talk to your friends outside of school. Don't think that you gotta talk to them in class. You gotta like talk about this so you can get in trouble. No. You don't want to have a bad reputation on one teacher that is a blabber mouth and could tell every other teacher that you're gonna have in the future, and then they already like have like, you know, a visual of what you might be like, and be like, oh. And then just be respectful to people. Be nice. Try to be in a lot of sports so you could say that on your college application. You could tell them everything that you did. Show that you was an active kid and that you are active, so they, like, you know, if there's any events, they could be like, oh, maybe she will do this for us. Now colleges don't care about your grades. They do. Let me stop right there. They do. But it's majority now about your personality. So see what you do shows your personality. And if you have college class like me, make sure you do all your work, please. And yeah, that's about it. My college semester is almost over, so I'm so happy because I'm sick and tired of that professor. She is annoying. I want to use my new makeup products. I'm so upset. Somebody that always comments and she's so nice. Her name is K Sweets Baby. She said, why people hate on you so much? You're so pretty. I mean, I love you. Keep being amazing and pretty. Thank you so much. You're pretty too. She's mad pretty. Listen, if you don't got no haters, you ain't popping. So people still talk about college. I only have one class in college, so nothing really to talk about. I don't really like my college program only because it's boring. And I know that's not an excuse to not like it, but that's my excuse again. And I'm not gonna keep on going. I'm still gonna go, obviously, but I don't like it. I feel like she don't know what she's doing. She gives us like so much work. Like we're her only class. I mean, like she's our only class, but she's definitely not. We have 6 other classes. I mean, starting YouTube takes a lot of work, a lot of dedication, a lot of sacrifices, so a lot of commitment. I know when y'all on like a sports team or anything you guys do, they always say, you know, this takes a lot of commitment. Oh my god, I set my face. Oh jeez. They be like, it takes a lot of commitment, guys. I hope you like, if you guys are sure about being committed to this 24/7. If you can't be committed to it, then don't do it. Because I hate when like people that I know will be like, I'm gonna start my YouTube channel, girl. Put me on your Snap or shout me out so I can get some subscribers. A whole year later, don't post nothing and never post nothing. Like, leave me alone, please. Guys, today is Wednesday, my first day back to school. Because we didn't have no school on Monday. I didn't go to school yesterday because I was sick. Life after high school. Okay, obviously I don't know what the future holds, but I really want to be a lawyer, a fashion designer. Well, after high school, I want to go to college. Sorry. I want to go to Howard University. Where else? Bellman. But like, if I get like a scholarship to whatever college, girl, I'm going. But we done now. He hung up on me, guys. That's crazy. He's just so disrespectful. Oh, he's calling me back. Oh, I was recording this whole time. I'm about to put my shirt on, my whole outfit. I'm showing you guys in the mirror. Yeah, already know how it goes. Probably gonna vlog at school. We gonna see. Maybe I should, right? I'm gonna vlog. Since it's freezing outside, your girlfriend will put her Uggs on. Sorry for my messy thing. I always do it like during the next week. I should have been did this, honestly. Let me just stop making excuses. Okay. Alright, guys. So I'm about to leave. This coat keeps you warm. Oh. But these jeans are from Fashion Nova, you guys. Sure already know. Come on. Major plain cargo jeans. Hey guys, so I'm about to leave and go to school. I'm gonna see you guys when I get to school. So yeah. So I take something back from my mom. That's why I have this bag. Oh yeah, I didn't show you guys my outfit. Alright guys, so here's my outfit. My shirt is from MTO APPAREL. It was a 2-piece set that is with my collection. The 2-piece set I think is like $25, but I'm just wearing the shirt. And then my pants are from Fashion Nova. They're probably like $40. And then my Uggs are from the Ugg website. You a punk ass.
Yeah, I'll break you up. Stop.
Hey guys, I just got in school. It's got my late pass, of course. $112. Last time I did 24. I don't really know. I'm on the 4th floor. You girl got asked me, I know I'm tired. If you want to say nah. Like my twin. Period. I'm in
Talking to them right now.
So, you know. You think her on. I found my
my god,
twin.
she vlogging.
Period. The better twin.
Are you vlogging?
Hey guys, me and her vlog lit or whatever. Gang. We brand movie.
Bow. See Adam? Hello.
Josh big below.
Right, you not.
Nah, but today Icylinn's in physics and we just came from Brandon and Mark.
Oh, we like some baddies. Yo, it's too cold for this. We got a whole fire show.
Oh, y'all wanna just this is Layla.
Look at my body. Look at my teacher. But guys, the fire truck here. It's a real fire.
It's a fire!
Yes. Yes.
Probably gonna cut this out.
Period. Where's the lace? Can't find it, baby.
Can I see how I look first?
Oh yeah, you keep covering me. Yeah.
Look what Mara brought me. Alright, I'm about to leave advisory. Yeah, I don't like it.
I want it to be like a tight coat. I was gonna do that, but I got my daughter on.
Alright guys, I tried to keep my camera, but it's too cold. I'm walking to school for everyone to take classes to my mom. And then I gotta go. I do mad stuff right now. Like, I wasn't even planning to do any of this. Like, literally, any of this. I'm just trying to skip it. I don't think I do a good video, but I don't care. So pretty. Alright guys, so I'm walking in with my phone. My phone almost died and I'm about to be stranded in freaking Manhattan. Like, I live in New York, I'm from New York, but I don't know where I be at, so hell no. So I have to buy a whole portable charger, and I have like 7 of them. I just started charging my portable chargers. It's ridiculous. Oh, ew. Alright, so I'm walking and a random guy just takes a picture of me, and he starts chasing me a whole block. Mind you, I don't even know this. That's crazy. Hey pretty, so today's the next day. I just want to tell you guys, thank you guys so much for watching, because I forgot to say it yesterday because I was so tired. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos on me. And I love you guys so much. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye pretties.